Hello guys, so this is Astera for you guys today, and we are going to earn a lot of revenue by using a simple trick using Astera direct links for today. So I'm going to show you and guide you how you can go by this tutorial in order for you to earn a lot of revenue using a higher traffic in this particular video. Most of the time we've been using Facebook, but today there is a new way we can earn a lot from a particular social media. So I'm going to take you through how you can do that. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor. I only share stuff which works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. And in addition, you can go on, subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave every comment or anything you have in the comment section, and I'm going to reply then in sooner time. Okay, good. So here is my account here. Currently, as you can see here, this is Astera. Alright, so if you don't have an account, I'll leave the link in the description. Click on it, create an account for yourself, or you can also watch my videos on Astera and you can go by. So I can still refresh the page, and yes, still this is my demo account, and then you can still see that I'm still earning a lot from here. So first go to your direct links and just scroll down till you find create direct link. As you can see here, click on that. Once you click on it, this is going to pop up. It says direct link categories. Okay, so adult or non-adult, you can see campaigns out here. So once you click on the non-adult, which means it's going to remove the erotic ads out from your campaigns. This erotic ads has something to do with these porn stars ad. Okay, this something the porn ads and this naughty ads. Okay, but I would like to go in for the adults and keep that as stable because most people are engaged with erotic ads. So I'll go on and click on add. Okay, add here. So once you click on add, it will automatically add it to this section of your page. But in case you want to make an edit and get to know that this particular link is working at this sector, this link is working on Facebook, this link is working on Twitter, this link is working on Instagram, come to the edit aspect here, click on that, and then make an edit to your link. So you can see I've made an edit to this one as Facebook, which means that I'm using this link basically or focusedly on Facebook, and I'm earning a lot from Facebook. So this one link is generating me this 1.41 within just a day. Okay, so this one just a day. So make sure to keep consistency as the key. Okay, so make sure to keep consistency as the key. So the next step here is to go to our next tab or new tab and then search in for site.google. Okay, google.com. So site.google.com. So this is site.google.com. So click on that free Google site. All right, so I think we are landing on different page. Okay, so let's type in our indicators. So make sure you get the right pronunciation, Google site instead. Okay, Google site. So this is the overview of the Google site. All you have to do here is just click on blank site. Once you click on blank site, this is the home page of the Google site. I would like to take off this your page title out from here. Right, this your home title. I like to take it out from here, so I'll delete it, leaving this page out here. So the next step here is to go to your images and select something very catchy. So here, let's go to new tab and searching for something very catchy. Is it a girl? Is it a trending thing? Mappy to Real Madrid? Something very trending, something people are engaged in. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to go in for how to make money online. Okay, so you can go in for maybe some sexy girls and something like that. Okay, so click on images. Once you click on images, you can select any image of yourself. So let's check it out. Something catchy, something sexy, something is going to attract people. So let's find out something here. Okay, so I'll scroll up and down. So let me choose something like this picture here. So this is a YouTube video then, but let's pick a picture where we want the picture here. Okay, so let's pick this picture here. Okay, and let's save it in our gallery. So go back to the site and then click on images here. Once you click on images, click on upload and then select the image that you saved from your Google. So here is the image, right? Good. So all you have to do here is just make a good adjustment so that it can fit where to your web. So you are creating a web which will be looking very simple and very catchy. So make it very simple, I beg. Make it very, very simple. So this is very simple, not too large, not too small, very simple. So all you have to do here is to just click on the text box. So once you click on the text box, this is how it's going to appear. So write something down. What are you going to write? So what you have to write here is to how I make something very catchy. This is very important. The caption is very important. How I make, let's say, $150, $150 using a simple trick, using a simple trick in a day. Okay, in a day. So you can highlight this particular caption and just make it a bold, make it italic, you can underline it even, or something like that. Okay, so you can go on and apply a lot of indicators or a lot of formats to what we've written or what we've typed in here. So the next step here is to go back to Astera, click on the link that you want to insert, or click on the link you want to copy, the link you want to insert it in your caption. Okay, so copy it, go back to the site that we are creating. So this is the site that you are creating, so highlight it, and then you can see something, this symbol here or this icon here, insert link. All right, so click on that and then insert your link here, click on apply. It has automatically applied to the caption here. All right, so the next thing you have to do is, so you can see once I click on it, you can see there's something here. So the next thing you have to do is to make something like, you have to bring this caption to the middle. So I like to go in and say that allied center. All right, allied center or allied left, allied something like that. So allied center. Okay, so this is the alignment allied center. Okay, so how I make $150 using a simple trick a day is what I've written here. So this is very catchy. Or Charlie, what do you say? Look, it's good. So the next thing here is to just click on published. So once you click on publish, it will tell you to enter something so that people can know that this is what I'm writing about. So how to make money, how I made, let's say how I made okay, how I made $150 how I made $150 a day. So this is correctly accepted. Okay, so I would like to go and click on publish. Once I click on publish, it is going to be published for me, so you can see it is published. But now let's look at the preview, how people are going to look at it. So preview, let's look at how it's going to look like. So once I open it with my desktop, this is how it's going to look like. What our tablet is going to look at this, mobile phone is going to look at this, right? Simple and very catchy. All right, so let's go back, and then all you have to do here is just copy the link or share it, and let's make a final preview. So open a new tab and just enter the link that you copied right now, and let's enter it and check it out. So once anyone click on it, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so the next step is to just go to one of the most exciting traffic area. This site is giving a lot of traffic. I bet you, not even Facebook. So this is Reddit, right? Reddit. So go on and search in for Reddit. This is Reddit. So Reddit is giving a high traffic because I don't think most Africans are much into this Reddit. Most people from the European countries, US, UK, a lot of Netherlands, Australia, and a lot are into Reddit. So the best thing here is to just enter Reddit, create an account for yourself. Very simple. All you have to do, enter your email, and then you're good to go. So all you have to do is just follow the link, and then automatically you are going to enter. So I've entered into Reddit. It's just like Facebook, something like that. But here, the best thing is like you get a lot of traffics from higher CPMs, okay? CPM countries. So all I have to do here is just type in how to make money. How to make money online. How to make money online. How to make some money fast. So this one is with 103K members. This one is 15 members, 17 members, 17K, 4K. So let's go for the higher one. Okay, so once you click on it, it's a community. Okay, so we have to look at, so this one is with only 7 online members. So only 7 online members. So let's go back and let's say we are looking for something like a lot of members, like people online. So that one was just with 7 online members. So let's say the second one is with just 1 member. Oh, damn it. So I think we let's go in for the first one, that is 103k members. So it's 7, currently 8 online members right now. So you can see it here. Please keep consistency as the key. Consistency is the key. Keep it in mind that consistency is the key. All right, so you can see people have been writing something. I'm buying old Facebook accounts, and then you can see people giving comments here. So this is like Facebook. All right, so the next thing you have to do here is just click on create a post. Once you click on create a post, the next thing you have to do here is just enter a title, like how to make your first how to make your first $150. How to make your first $150, something like that. Okay, good. So this is at least cool. And then we have to create or write something at the body. So you can write something like it's simple. It is simple and easy as well. Easy as well. So what you have to do is, like, you can write something like go on, click here to read more. Let's say to know more. Okay, to know more. So the next thing here is to enter or paste in our link. So you can see our link is here. So let's add some tag. Okay, so let's create something like we are adding some tag. So you can see add tag here. So let's add some tag. Make a brand for a business. Container mature dots. So like, let's say add something here. Okay, let me add this. Okay, so let's say posts. So you have to wait for it to get posted on the website. Okay, so you can see it is loading here. So it is posted. So you can see, you say our posts have been removed by the moderator or that things. Okay, but then you don't have to insert the link. Okay, so we can go on and then insert the picture. So this is a very simple way then. So you can create another post and write something again. All right, so please read the rules before the Martins. You can go on and post something different again till it gets submitted in the group. So please make sure to do this. It's for the sake of this tutorial, I didn't take time to make an edit. That's why it just get rejected by the group admin. This is like Facebook, so please make sure to make consistent here. So be posting in different groups. You can create something like Mbappe, that, and going to Madrid, something sexy, for instance, something very catchy, food and beauty, fashion, entertainment, fun, gaming. Create things like that and attach a link to those things and just go by the same process. Make it consistency work. Make it consistency and you are good to go at ease. So this is a very simple way you can earn a lot of money on Astera. So Astera is basically on how you can do that. So in my next step here, will be showing you on how you can do this trick on Facebook and other social media platform and your website too as well. I really know you enjoy this content. Just hit on the subscription button to just like this video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment. Anything pertaining to how to make money. Stay tuned. I'm going to update you very soon. Thank you for watching this particular video. I hope to see you in my next video.